Hello! Okay, hopefully it's the thing that I'm expecting. Okay. It is. So excited. Oh my god. Okay, I brought a couple of things. So, these clothes that go with him. Well, it's not with him, but she had it on him a lot in her shows. So I had to buy it because it like suited him very well. I'm so excited. I was getting worried where he was in it and stuff. That's the clothes. I'll put them on him soon. Okay. So that's body, of course. Which I already have one, but I don't know which one it is. It's double jointed, which is good because I like double joint. Yeah. I don't know where to put this. Oh, here. Okay, I've got two heads because I've got a floating head and the head that goes with the body. So, I'll just guess and open it and I put my knife, which is over there. And if I knew where my scissors was, which I don't. So unorganized. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this is the other one. Open. Oh, the doll. She's so cute. Oh my god. The light isn't very good, but oh well. So that's her. Let me open him. Oh my god. Open sesame. Woo! Oh my god. The light, I swear. Take it eye. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I've always wanted a fang, I swear. Oh my god. Okay. Here's the torso and the legs. different version to the one I have. Okay. I have the muscular version. Okay. There's the body. Got some stuff. Oh. Got some eyes. Oh, that's cute. They're like goldish brown. Like, yeah, like a goldish brown. The makeup eyes. Must have been when Mako made circular eyes, because they don't make circular eyes anymore, don't they? We should I stick her in? Okay. Oh. And these are clothes that I brought off her as well, just because they were cute. Isn't that cute? Oh my god. Oh, so cute. And this, I had to have this because it has ears. And that's the tail, look at it. Oh my god. I think that's it. Yeah. And there's an S booklet in there. My shoulders are hurting just holding my arms up. That's not good. There you go. Okay, it's 7 minutes. I'll go now and I'll put them together